Hello students, today we are going to start class 4 subject moral science chapter 4 ripple effect. Read this story of a ripple effect, both negative and positive. The ripple effect is an emotional contagion in groups. It means that transfer of moods among people in a group. The moods of others affect us, and spending time with someone negative will increase our own negativity. One apology changes the way of the ripple. So in this story we will learn about the negativity also and the positivity. If we are negative, we increase our own negativity. If we apologize to someone, the positivity will come to us. A man steps on the prawn. The man steps on prawn. It bites him, then it bites him. The man hits the tree in pain. After biting the prawn, the man feels the hurt, so he hit the tree in pain. The tree drops a fruit on the roaster. Then the tree dropped the fruit on the roaster. Resting under it, the roaster stretched dirt on an ant. Now the roaster stretched the dust on ant. The ant stings the snake. Then the ant stings on the snake. In moment of anger, the snake bites a dog. In anger, then the snake bites a dog. The dog knocks down a banana tree, which is the home of a bat. You can see over here. Then the bat bites on elephant. Then bites in anger. The bite an elephant, waiting to eat the bananas. The elephant is waiting for a bananas. The elephant kicks a rock in annoyance. The rock crushes the lady's house. In anger, he kicked the rock and the rock crushed the lady's house. So this all things is happen in a negative form. Everybody blames everyone. The man gets angry with the prawn and want to make a soup out of it, because he is angry because the prawn bite him, so he want to make a soup of it. A prawn feels sad. A prawn apologizes to man. The man feels a change within him. The man promises to water the tree so that it can get more fruit. The apologizes means sorry. Then the man promises that he gives the water to tree to get more fruits. The tree promised to give shade to the roaster and not drop fruits on it. The roaster helps collect sand for the ant to build an ant hill. Now the positivity is coming on all. The ant calls all its friends and brings medicine to the snake. The snake takes back the poison from the dog. The dog straightens the banana tree. The meaning of straightens means shake karna. The bat gives a lot of bananas to elephant. Then who give bananas to elephant? Bat. The elephant removes the rock from the lady's house. They all joined hands and rebuilt the lady's house again. You can see over here. Okay, so this chapter is about the negativity and the positivity. If we applies to someone, the positivity come to us. Okay, now pearls of wisdom. When you truly love life and people, you start a ripple effect that changes the life of another, who in turn changes the life of another. Now, Bicon, the Karnataka God Samirtan and the Medical Professional Act has been passed in 2016. People do not help the road accident victim because they fear police questioning. It is the first state to pass this law. This ripple effect bill will ensure that the general public will help road accident victims without the fear of the police and the courts questioning them. Okay, now we will do the exercise, the speaking tree. Draw two columns, read the text again, write down the negativity ripple effect in one column and the positive ripple effect in another column based on the text. Now, this question number A you have to do in your textbook. Write the chapter number, chapter name, then write the question. Then you have to make two columns of first is negative ripple effect and the second one is a positive ripple effect. First we will read about the negative ripple effect. First, step on the prawn bites, hits the tree drops fruit on the rooster stretch dirt on an ant stings the snake bites a dog knocks down the tree a home to a bat bites an elephant kicks a rock, a lady's house is crushed. Okay, now the positive ripple effect. Prawn apologized, change in man, water the tree to get more fruits. Tree shades the rooster the tree shades the rooster and stop throwing fruits. Rooster collects sand for the ant to build an ant hill. Ant brings medicine to the snake. Snake takes back the poison from the dog. Dog strains the tree. The bat offers bananas to the elephant. An elephant removes the rocks. They all build the lady's house back. This work you have to do in your copy. Now question number B. If you, and it's your homework, you have to do this in your copy. If you are one of the character in the story, how will you change the negativity into the positivity? So from this story you have to take a one character and its negativity and how you will change this negativity in your positivity one, and this is your homework and you have to do in your copy. Okay, thank you.